Welcome to the Repeat Rewards Learning Channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and send emails right from the merchant website. First, log on to www.repeatrewards.com using the credentials given. From here, you'll select Marketing, then choose Email and Repeat Rewards. In this next screen, you'll see all the different types of emails that we have available. Some of these are recurring campaigns like birthday offers, others are one-off type event or holiday campaigns. Since St. Patrick's Day is coming up here soon, we're going to choose St. Patrick's Day and select Activate in order to see the different header options. If you didn't like one of these headers available, you could contact us to have a custom design created for a small design fee. Once you've selected your header, you can input some basic information about your email, such as a subject line. And we recommend, if you have an offer you're going to be included, that you can put that in your subject line as well. The email is going to come from a from name in the email will be your name, so it's identifiable by your members receiving it. Next, you'll choose if this should go to members of all locations or just a select location if you have more than one. You can select multiples by hitting the Control key and choosing just certain locations. Then you're going to choose if the email should send right away or on demand on a future date. If you choose Send Now, it's going to send within about a half an hour of when you complete this setup. If you choose an on-demand date, it'll send out on the date selected. For this example, I'm going to choose St. Patrick's Day. In the next area, you're going to select who should receive the email. So you can choose to include or exclude suspended members. Also, you can choose to include or exclude additional members, such as spouses that may be on an account. And you can even further segment your list by clicking the checkbox next to Optional Advanced Member Restrictions and choosing your criteria. For this, I'm going to choose to send it to my top 500 members based on dollars spent in the last year. Next, I can input my offer information. So I choose if I want to have a QR code or not display. This would be for the promo code associated to the offer, and this would be used if you have a tablet that you want to scan the offers for. Next, you can choose what kind of offer it is. If you choose one of the points-based offers, that is going to be the point multiplier that will apply when that promo code is used. If your offer is something like $5 off or buy one get one free entrees, you can choose Other and type in your offer. And if you'd like to also include a points multiplier, you can choose the box above it to apply a point-based discount as well. Next, you'll see a field for POS discount. If you use an integrated POS system that does automatic discounting, you can select dollar and input the value that you'd like to be removed from the check when that promo code is used. If you want just an informational offer, you would select None. Then, you'll input your offer disclaimer, so any restrictions regarding this offer can be inputted. These will appear in smaller text on the email. Next, you can select to include some links to Facebook and Twitter. If you're active on social media, we recommend putting in your URLs and clicking the checkboxes, and then your link will appear inside of the logo for Facebook or Twitter. Next, you'll input the stipulations for your offer, such as when it should begin. This could be either the date that email is sent or an exact date if you're sending it maybe ahead of time before the offer should be valid. You'll also choose when it should expire. It could be an exact date or it could be a number of days after it's been sent. And then you'll click Save at the bottom. On this next screen, you'll see the details from the email that you just set up. So you can review to make sure that you inputted everything correctly. And if you'd like to make changes at this point, you could click Make Changes or click Confirm to continue. From this last screen, you'll see that the options were updated and you'll see a preview button. If you were to click Preview, you could input your email address and send yourself a sample so you could see what this would look like. Now the setup is complete and your email is ready to go out. Thank you for watching this episode of the Repeat Rewards Learning Channel. If you have any questions, please contact us. We're available at 866-268-4958 or merchant services at repeatrewards.com.